Why a 30-minute learning routine matters.
Developers face constant change in technology. Regular learning helps keep skills fresh, but finding time can be tough. A daily 30-minute routine strikes the perfect balance. It's long enough to make progress, short enough to fit into almost any schedule. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to big growth over time.
Choosing what to learn each day.
Focus on high-impact topics that align with your goals. Whether it's a new programming language, a framework, or a coding best practice, pick something relevant to your work or interests. Don't try to cover everything at once. Instead, choose one skill or subject to concentrate on for a week or two.
Structuring your 30-minute session.
Divide your time intentionally. Start with 5 minutes reviewing previous notes or practice. Spend the next 15 to 20 minutes learning a new concept, watching a tutorial, or reading an article. Use the remaining 5 to 10 minutes applying what you learned. Write code, solve a problem, or summarize key takeaways.
Making learning a daily habit.
Consistency is key to lasting progress. Pick a specific time for your learning, such as first thing in the morning or right after lunch. Set reminders and treat this time as non-negotiable. Creating a dedicated learning environment, even if it's just a quiet corner, can help reinforce the habit.
Tracking progress and adjusting.
Keep a simple log of what you've covered and how you're progressing. This could be a notebook, a digital document, or a tracking app. Regularly reflect on what's working and what needs adjustment. Celebrate small wins, and don't hesitate to tweak your routine as your interests or schedule evolve.